In this video, I'll show you how you can use your smartphone camera as a very powerful webcam with your OBS or Zoom setup. For this purpose, I'll be using an app called Camo app by Reincubate. This app comes in two parts. One part that you need to install in your PC or Mac or your system, desktop system. Another part or the webcam part in the mobile. First, we will go to the Reincubate website. Here it is. You can download this for your operating system. It is available for all the operating systems like the Mac and Windows, not for Linux as of now. You can download the required setup file and install. Okay, so this is the Camo Studio app. It has directly got webcam feed from my laptop. As compared to my normal camera, it doesn't look good. We will connect the mobile version. So what I'll do is you go to the Play Store. I am using Android mobile, so I'll go to the Play Store and download and install the Camo app. I already have it installed. You can go to the Play Store or App Store. It is available for both iOS and Android, and you can install the Camo app. You can connect this app using an USB cable as well, or via wireless connection. I'll show you how you can connect it via wireless. Using the cable, you just simply plug in your USB cable to your mobile phone and to the laptop or PC. That way you connect, and then you can go to the list of cameras. You can go to pair a device. So once you go to pair a device, you will see a QR code, and you need to scan the QR code using your mobile phone. In your mobile phone, you'll see this wireless connection button. Scan the code in the Camo Studio app in your PC and it will be connected. Now the device is connected. Next, what you need to do, you need to go to your Camo app and then go to this list of cameras, devices, and select your mobile phone. So my Galaxy S23, it's named as Neil's S23. So I'll select that one, and now it is connected. Now if I just simply change the connection, so it will connect, and it is showing the feed now here. Okay, you can see the feed here. All right, so you can see the feed. For example, if you wish to add it to OBS, to go to OBS and then add a video capture source. I'll just delete this source now. Add a video capture source and select the Camo camera. So once you select the Camo camera, you can see that the Camo camera, that mobile phone camera, is working now. If you go to the default webcam, you can see the quality. Now when you switch to the mobile, you can see the difference in quality. So in mobile, it's definitely a better quality camera than the default webcam that you have. So this Camo Studio app, with the Camo app in your mobile phone, can give you a better solution for your Zoom calls or for your OBS recordings. So go ahead and try this app. This is free to try. You can use it for free for lifetime. But if you purchase the Pro version, or if you go ahead with the upgrade, you get some more features. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you like similar contents, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you dislike this video, hit the dislike button and also comment on my video as to why you dislike and what I can improve. So thank you very much. See you soon in my next video.